The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is an outstanding camera for photographers who demand high-quality still images, as well as filmmakers looking for pro-level video capture. It has a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing plenty of resolution for demanding situations, from professional portraits to wildlife photography. The updated 61-point autofocus system covers up to 24% more of the frame and includes face detection. 4K DCI video ensures that the camera meets the highest standards for video quality as well. The camera's raw dynamic range has been significantly improved over previous 5D models. We also like the new touchscreen, which adds useful features such as tap to focus. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus provides reliable face detection and subject tracking in live view, while delivering the most accurate and natural-looking autofocus we've seen when shooting video. While the 4K video quality is excellent, the 4K recording is limited to motion JPEG format, which requires large, fast memory cards and may limit recording time. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark IV is a DSLR that will meet the needs of pros and enthusiasts who require high-quality images, excellent video, and a great user interface. For more information about the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
Certain perspective limits our altitude and vice versa, but this T25 release it. Looks amazing? You can also make it. Potensic T25. Life should be this way. Refuse to be complicated and make it simple. One key taking off, landing. Fixed point hovering in the air. GPS positioning system. And one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone. The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you, wherever you go, by the follow me mode. Tired of conventional shooting? Let's make a change. One key taking HD pictures, and the 75-degree adjustable camera will diversify your shooting style. Record 1080p HD videos. See broader views. One key sharing joyful moments you've captured through the drone app. Stronger anti-wind ability due to the newest built-in 9-axis gyro, which makes perfect shooting. Easy to control. The headless mode helps the pilot easy to control in the air. Freely enjoy the fast and the furious in the sky. What's more, T25 drone is like a star shining in the night sky. The LED flashlight helps you realize your aircraft's real-time position, satisfy you from flying experience to visual perception. All what we've been done is to bring you a more intelligent, functional, and simpler drone to you. Seeking stars in the sky, shocked by the boundlessness and vastness. But Potensic's enterprising craftsmanship can make our dream finally come true. T25 enlightens your life.
The Insta360-1X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the 1X anywhere and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.